Yo guys, what's up? How's it going? Another great day in the stock market today. Today we're doing daily options trade. Let's take a look at what we got in this account. Got some Apple. Apple's doing okay right now. Well outside this put. I could probably close it, but I think it's doing so good I'm just going to wait it out because I want to own Apple. We put a option on for ChargePoint yesterday. It is doing pretty good. As you can see, it is up. It's like up like $1 or something today. I should have just bought it yesterday. But it's okay. We're made 70% already on these options. So maybe I'll sell another set of options on that today. Go EV was yesterday or the day before. Yeah, it must have been yesterday. It's only Tuesday. You can see, doing okay on those as well. Go EV is a great company. Really like it. Nikola, I got crushed. Really don't like Milton very much these days. Maybe that'll come back. Tell me what you think in the comments below about Nikola. If I'm going to get burned on that one or not. I think I will. Doesn't sound good. Ozark Bank is one of my favorites. It's a long-term hold. What I have left of it. Palantir. Oh, Palantir is awesome. I love Palantir. I was really hoping it would go up, but it hasn't, so we'll see what happens with these options next week. With Chris Steakhouse. Oh yeah, I love going there. It's not cheap, but it's good. Alright, now, today, I think we're going to do some more ChargePoint. Sounds reasonable. And another stock that's been beaten down. So let's go to the quotes. Let's see, Go EV. Let's see what Go EV is going for. No, not right now. I'm running out of room in my quotes. That's why I'm following too many stocks. Gotta narrow my focus. Let's go to ChargePoint. Out in May, $4.50. Are you crazy? No way. It's mine. Let's do it. That's crazy pricing. Alright, let's do 2 more. I'm feeling greedy today. Let's do 3 more. So, $700. Do it. Nope, didn't work out. Oh, knew it was too good to be true. Let's go try that. Oh, it did fill. Let's see what it filled at. Filled at 240. Alright, now we're talking. Let's see what ChargePoint's like now. Wow, that thing just rocketed overnight. Man, I should have got that the other day. Alright, well, it's okay. I made a little money with the options. I'm okay with that. I made almost as much with options, these put options, as if I own the stock, so I'm okay with that. Alright, let's see where we're at here with the balance. See how much power I got left. Alright, I think we're okay. Let's keep going. Let's do one more. This is a stock that I've wanted to own for a while. Now that it's been beaten down, I'm going to start selling options on it. If I get put to stock, I'm okay with that. So there's been a lot of silliness with all these lawsuits. And Ride, Lordstown Auto. I really like the concept of what they're doing. They have a pretty awesome electric truck. Maybe even better than Tesla's, it's hard to say. They're building prototypes now, so maybe I'll do another breakout video on Lordstown. That'd be cool. Whoa, got a little. Oh, it's 10. Okay, that's the problem. It's monthly, it's 10, 12. So if you go down to 10 here, 72 cents. Let's see. Probability of profit, 60. Whoa, okay. Well, even if I sell this for $1.62, it takes me down to a cost basis of, let's see, it'd be a $10, $11, and 48 cents. All right, well. Okay, well. So let's mitigate the risk here. What the heck? Let's go all three. 11 and a half, and 12. It's a pretty good premium. 35. Let's give that a little haircut because TradeStation is not always the best at executing. Let's go 430. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below you think I'm doing the right thing here. Here we go. Remember to hit that like button for the YouTube algorithm so I can get this out to more people. How to make money. For some reason, it's not executing today. What's going on? Don't want to go too far. Giving up a lot of money here. I got a partial fill. Alright, well, let's see what we got. I think it did went through. It went through right at the last second there. So I got filled to 426. Okay. You can see now, we have ride. Alright, made some good premium. And, man, I really like the company a lot. Like I said, I'll make a separate video. Alright guys, that's it for today. That's a daily options trade. Made some pretty good bank. Let's see if we can ride these options out. Remember, subscribe for the daily options trade, how to handle these in the future, wealth building techniques, and of course, dividend investing in crypto. Alright guys, have a good day. Thanks for watching.